Hello everyone, just wanted to take some time today and record a quick video demo of the pay period on demand or an early payment for an employee using our Payroll Control Center off cycle. So to start this demo, I'm looking at the profile of Geoff Hill, and I'm going to scroll down and look at the employment details of Geoff, and you can see that he is hired January 1st, 2019. I can go down to payroll information, click his pay statement, and I'll be able to see that right now Joff doesn't have any pay statements, and that's because he was just hired and I haven't run any payrolls yet. So my use case here is I have a newly hired person that wants their pay earlier, and us as an organization, we're going to accommodate that. So to do this, I can come over to the My Off Cycles, and I can go and create a new off-cycle payment. So I can start typing in his name. It'll come up here. I can choose the reason code for what I'm trying to do here, and this is a regular period on demand. The system will go ahead and propose the January 2019, the first payroll for this person. And then I can select a payment date that I've entered earlier in the manage processes. So that way you can control which date someone can run these payments for. So I've hit the review button and I can kind of see all of this consolidated on one screen. And then when I'm ready to check the request or run a payroll simulation, then I can go ahead and click the button and the system will do so. Once I've run that check request, that runs a simulation and I can see the payroll results. So I can see, I can even configure these categories and specific amounts like gross wages or net wages. And I can even look at the pay statement here. So I can see that Geoff will get 6,857 and the gross amount is 10,000. This is the taxes that come out and he's getting paid from a check. And so once I want to move forward with this payment, I can hit the save request and that will create the payroll results for Geoff. And so if I hit the back button, now I'll see that I have a new off-cycle regular pay period on demand. I see it was created, the date, and all that. And when I'm ready to run my post-payroll processes, then I can come over here to the My Processes UI, and I can see upcoming off-cycles, and now I have this one request for pay period on demand. So this would allow me to process all of the people that I'm running these early payments for together in the off-cycle process. And as soon as I hit this start process, that will move Joff from a status of new here to in process. And once I complete that post-payroll processing, so I print checks or I do the direct deposit file, I run the posting to finance or third-party remittance or whatever processes I have set up, once I finish those, then and only then will Joff be in completed status. So that's just a quick video showing what this functionality looks like. And I can come in here and kind of look at the payment, including looking at the pay statement once again and just see what this looks like and what this is about. I can also see the processing status, and that tells me where I am in the process. It's on in process, and it was started by me on this date and time. Thanks.